To understand this video, you must first read those I have previously published. The phenomenon of the preeminence in the conscious zone sometimes provoke a singular consequence, commonly known as a slip of the tongues or lapses. Indeed, during the execution of a conduct by reason of which three behaviors are in these three zones which correspond to them can be generated jointly, there can be a momentary and sudden change of preeminence which makes that an element which integrates a non-dominant behavior, which is not perceived at the conscious level, becomes abruptly dominant and enter it. This occasional shift in preeminence can occur during an emotional but in reality analytic discourse, that is, read in one of the intermediate area of analytic behaviors. In this case, it is observed that this occasional preeminence can be provoked simply because prior to the realization of this discourse, a word or other element has been conceptualized with a series of instinctive facts which correspond to a sensation of emotional type. So, when one wants to give an apparently emotional accent to a discourse of analytic origin, that is, to have as a component of its activator factor the same series of instinctive facts corresponding to that word, or that element that become dominant. As a result of this, in the resulting behavior, this emotionally dominant word or type appear generated on the basis of analytic behaviors read conjunction with the dominant, which incorporate an emotional behavior that does not manifest itself, not at the conscious level, being this discourse of analytical provenance. It can also occur this same class of occasional dominance in the opposite case, and or in the case of a discourse of analytic appearance made on the basis of an emotional, as well as a logic concerning an analog or vice versa. This phenomenon is the result of one of the most remarkable features of the functioning of the brain, which is the existence of concepts and facts that can be detached on the conscious level. This video is an excerpt from my discoveries on le fonctionnement du cerveau, the functioning of the brain, published by Amazon.com books.